queens, thank you so much for tuning into this video. Today we're gonna do a bit of a fun video. So I've had these box braids in for about a month and a half now. I've already like even changed the front because it was getting kind of, you know, worn. But now I'm kind of getting over them, and I really want to reach 2 months. Like I washed them already, and I redid the front last week. But now I think I really want to like just do a different style so I can keep them for a little bit longer and not be tired of them. So I'm going to curl them. So I have some flexi rods here. I have two sizes. I have these big ones and I have the small one. Oh, that's not small. And I have these small ones. I'm going to try to stick to the big ones, but if I run out, I'll just use the small ones. And I'm gonna put them in hot water. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can get a different look if your box braids when you're tired of them, sis, and still be rocking them and still be cute. So let's get right into it. So here's a flexi rod. I'm going to show you a very simple way to do this. And my box braids are actually very long as well. So I'm going to start from the back, I think. Take a chunk. Let me show you. I guess it's medium size. I don't know what size that is, but you guys can just see how much I took. Okay. And then you start from the bottom. And you place it towards at the almost at the end. And then you just start, just kidding. So you take your flexi rod, you place it towards the end of the braid, like so. And then you just start winding it. And then once the end is right there, you just roll up. And then you make sure to secure the end. That's it, really. All the way up to as high as you want it. I think I want it as high as possible, but then just keep in mind we're gonna put this in hot water, so you don't want to go too high. And then you tuck the flexi rod in so it can hold the curl. So you guys just gauge how much of the box braids, depending on how thick your box braid is, this can only hold so much. But yeah, there's number one. And what I like to do is kind of tuck in my end so that it gets in the curl, so that I don't have any straight ends. But if I do, I can just always cut them because I'm gonna keep this for like another week, 2 weeks, so like I'm not gonna care that much. Okay, there we go. Number two, I think I'm gonna do a little bit smaller on this side because I feel like that was a little bit big. So starting towards the end of my box braid, and then make sure I tuck all my ends in, curl up. Make sure to tuck in the flexi rod. This is literally gonna be the quickest tutorial ever. Sorry if you hear the rain outside, it's raining. And there's number two. Okay, we're not ready to dip in the water. Be careful because your head is literally all the way up here. Try to find a tall container to dip your hair in because the water is really hot. But as you will see, my container is not tall, so let's see how this works. Hey Mal, can you help me please? Come to the video and help me. My special person, Joyce, is gonna come help me. My sissy. Come here, babies. She just beat her face. It looks good. Come show them. Alright, this is Joyce. Come say hi, Joyce. Okay. It's by force.
No, thanks.
Waiting. Oh, please? Joyce doesn't want to show her face.
Yeah.
You guys will see her later. Check out my, which video will it be? I tried the worst hotel in my city. She'll be in that video. We're gonna go actually like in 5 minutes. Okay, can you hold it? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and zip the oh, we need a towel. Can you grab that? Where's the blue one actually? This could be a style, just saying. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yes. Okay. Make sure you grab a towel, okay, young ladies and gentlemen? I gotta make sure I'm cute. Gotta make sure I'm cute. Okay. Okay, ready? So you want to go ahead and dip. Oh my gosh, Joyce, is hot. Is it in?
Are you doing all of them?
Just as much as I can on this side, so I can just do it one time. Hey, be careful. Okay, we'll do this after. It's not going in. Are they in?
I mean, for the most part.
Like just the bulk part. So let's try to get closer to the camera. So you want to make sure that you have the roll part in. It doesn't matter if your actual like your braids are in. As long as your flexi rod is all the way in the water, you should be good. As much as you can anyway. Leave it in for about 30 seconds and then come up and then go in again. Has it been 30 seconds? It's hot enough, right?
A few moments later.
We're good? You got it? You got the water, right? Alright, so when you guys pull out, make sure to be careful. Pull out slowly. And then you want to catch the flexi rods with the towel because it's going to be very hot. Alright. And then you want to squeeze the excess water out. If your hair is not evaporating, you did something wrong. Try again. Let me stop. Other side, other side, other side of me. No? Thank you, Joyce, for helping me. So it is time to take them out. This better turn out well because I'm not doing this again. So here is the finished look. So as you can see, the ends got really curly. More on this side though, but still really curly. So that's a quick and easy way to kind of change your style and keep your braids for a bit longer. So I'm about to keep these for at least 2 more weeks because I'm not trying to check out my hair right now. Nobody has time for that. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and join the kingdom. On this channel, I talk all about how to reign a young professional life through Christ. I do videos focused on finance literacy, my job as a consultant, and also hacks with college life as well. So if you're interested in that, please make sure to stay tuned and also turn on your notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video.